So today in this class, we discuss the data connectivity in the Power BI. Because Power BI have no data facility, you can store the data in the Power BI. So that time we need the connect to other sources, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir.
So how can connect the data and how type of the data connectivity is possible with
Currently, we are connecting with only Excel sheets only.
Excel sheet. So we have click that get data and there is the total data connectivity platform. You can see here. So now we have discussed file. We have discussed with file. So first is the Excel file. So last time we have discussed the Excel file. So click here Excel file, Excel workbook and connect. You can select your databases, data file, which data file have that data. Select and OK. Click on select this wait a few minutes and appear the list of seat. Select the seat and remember you have to click here, right?
Yeah, sir.
And now you can click load and few seconds your data will be loaded in the. You can see here. You want to see the data? Go to the table view, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Now I want to connect the data from the other files type. Just like we have click on the connect data, get data, go to the file, and this is the CSV. So you can also get the data from text and also CSV form. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So click the
CSV means, sir?
CSV comma separated file. So click here, connect, and go to the locations, which location you have a data, and select your text file. Just like this is the text file. Okay. We have click
Yes.
here and OK.
It's from particular.
But some problem here. Your data is not the correct way. So when you have used the Excel, in the Excel have a text to column. So same feature we apply here. We have select the column separated symbol. So we have select the tab because in the my data tab separated. So in the notepad have a two type of the data. First, tab separated or second, comma separate. Okay. So just like this is the tab separated. Tab separated it means what is the separated between one sheet to another sheet. One sheet to another sheet. Just like name, name, and press the tab, city, tab, amount. Okay. So Puja, press the tab, city, Pune, and press the 500. This is the first file type, right? So between one column to two column have a tab separation. Is it clear?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Second, the comma separated. So between two column have a separation with comma. Separation with comma. That comma, that call comma separated. So when you have connect the data from your CSV and notepad file, you can select here your separator. You comma separated, tab separated, yeah, other sign, yeah, other custom symbol will be separated from one column to another column, right? And
yes,
load it. Most probably your Power BI recognize your separator. Okay,
okay,
just like we have select this is CSV file. CSV file icon. This is CSV file. Comma separate file. You can check here. Key an ID, name, city, and fever will be here is separated with comma. Then open, and this is the automatic select the comma. Then load. Your data will be loaded. But sometimes we have got data in XML file. If your software, the web-based software, that's your company running the website and web-based applications, that time you got the data in the XML form. In the XML form. So that time we have used XML. Just select the XML, click at the connect, and select your data. Then open. This is the XML scripting. Then open.
yeah,
Wait few seconds. Click here and load. Okay.
okay,
Your data will be loaded. And sometimes also we get the data in the JSON file, JavaScript file, JSON file. JSON file also web-based application databases. Sometimes your data you get the data from JSON file. So click the JSON,
JSON
click
file,
here JSON file, select the JSON data and open. This is the data. Okay, and
okay,
load and close. The data will be appear. It's clear.
yeah, yeah,
But we have the another problem. I have received the file daily basis. Okay. And all file we have stored in the folder. So already 13 file in the folder. All 13 file data type will be same, but data is different, but data type will be same. Okay. You can see here Jan to December data name by. So all file data look like this, but data is the different. And now I want to make the report, and before the making report, I want to collect of the data. I want to copy paste data one above below. Okay. First we have copy the sheet one file data, copy and paste. Then to second file data, copy and paste the below. So how can combine the all file data one by one? And in future, if you receive the another file just like 14 number, so automatically my data recognize the 14 and update the my database. So that time we have used the Power BI folder options. Go to the more and go to the file, folder and connect. You can select and also copy paste the folder link here. But we have clicked the browse and select the folder. Now, okay, and also okay. Now you can see the all list of your file, but you have not clicked the load because if you click the load, so this data will be loaded, not a this file list will be loaded, not a data list data or file in data will be loaded here. Okay, so go to the combine and load. So now go you get the second window. And here is the all file list here. Select the one file and select the seed. So now Power BI combine the all file data according this seed headings. Then press the OK. In few seconds, your data will be loaded and also combined. Okay, you can see. Go to the data. Now you can see here all files are available here. And in future, we have copy this file and paste. We have received the 14 file, 14 number file. So we have update in the folder. Now just refresh your data. And when you're refreshing a data, your 14 number data, 14 number file data also updated in the data to sheets. You can see here 14 number file updated.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so you can now we have discussed how can import the data from Excel, how can data import from Notepad and CSV, how can data import from XML file, JSON file, and if you have the more than one file in the folder, it, this feature also recognize the text, JSON, all type of the file format in the folder, so your data will be combined and loaded. Now, my data in the PDF format. My data in the PDF format. Right? How can I import the data if my data in PDF? But remember, before the using PDF, your PDF should be have the converted, not a scan. When you have take the printout and scan your data and convert in the PDF. So that is not image not recognized. Image is not recognized. And second thing, I have you can see here, I have the two pages and all pages have a heading. Okay, so also require your PDF. If your PDF have a more than one pages and all pages have a data table heading is required, and Power BI only for recognize the data in the table format. If you have PDF have a text messages, the images, so text messages and images not recognized, only for data recognize which data have a in table format with heading. It's clear.
Yes, yes.
How can do it? So go get data, go to the more database file, sorry, file, and select the PDF. Then connect. Select your data and open. Wait a few minutes. And you can see here the page one data and page two data. And there is the combined table one, page one and two, all data combined here. So if you have get data from PDF, so your data will be combined, one and two also combined. Okay, if you have the PDF in the 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 100, 200 pages, so that time all data will be combined. But condition is all pages have a heading, the same heading. Okay, behave select and OK. Mr. Jayant, any problem?
No, no, sir, I'm listening.